Having inner confidence. Does it occasionally appear as though everyone around you is self-assured and confident? Most likely they share the same reservations you do. So, what's the key to confidence that they've figured out? They are aware that confidence is a quality that one must cultivate. The feeling of conviction that you can achieve anything you set your mind to is what it means to be confident. You may always discover methods to believe in yourself, as confidence originates from within. We don't have to always be certain of oneself to be confident. Confidence doesn't come from having all the answers, it comes from having faith that, no matter what happens in a circumstance, you'll be able to handle it and take something away from it. This is not to claim that gaining confidence will make all of your difficulties go away. Why is confidence essential? If you want to learn how to build confidence, you must be willing to change your state. Your mood is influenced by how you feel about yourself at that point in time. Here are the main principles of building confidence that anyone can use to their advantage. Body language. When learning how to be confident, physiology is crucial. You can succeed if you learn to project confidence through your body language. Consider a person you know who you perceive as being very confident. You undoubtedly noticed they were self-confident when you first met them even before they spoke. Because of the way they walked and held themselves, you could tell they were confident. They looked you in the eye, gave you a solid handshake, and stood up straight. Take a moment to quickly inventory your physique. How do you hold yourself? Are you breathing properly? Everybody experiences bad moods occasionally, which might result in slouching, shallow breathing, or drooping your head. Controlling how your body moves gives you the ability to alter your mood. Positivity. Think positive can manifest itself in a number of different ways. But the key is to change your focus. What you focus on becomes your reality, and that includes within your own mind. Replace negative words with positive ones and start seeing the bright side of situations. By changing your focus, internally and externally, you're changing your state. And by changing your state, you'll change your life. Emotional control. Confidence is not something people are born with, it's something you must create. If you let your emotions dictate your experience of life without pinpointing why you feel a particular way, your emotions control you. Building confidence creates the feeling that you can accomplish what you set out to do. It is something you feel, and you can train yourself to access it in an instant. A growth mindset. What do you believe having confidence involves? You might believe that having confidence only comes from having achieved success in the past and that you can only learn how to be confident in yourself after having achieved great accomplishment. This kind of fundamental idea badly restricts you. Your inner confidence is what gives you confidence, not your external accomplishments. Being confident allows you to try again if you fail rather than giving up. Your beliefs will begin to progressively become more firmly held as you begin taking concrete steps toward your objective of becoming confident. It's time to adopt a growth mentality and begin to think that you can discover how to develop confidence. Whatever you hold in your mind on a consistent basis is exactly what you will experience in your life. In the next part, we will go into more detail about building confidence and some real-life examples to help you apply them in any area of your life. Stay tuned.